This is a recipe that I created when I was 9 years old. If a 9-year-old me can make it, so can you. Today we're cooking a Homey Kimchi Bibimbap. We are cooking 2 servings today, and we will need the following ingredients: 3 eggs, extra lean ground beef around 200 grams, ripe and tangy kimchi, rice, and sesame oil. You can modify this recipe to the portions you would like. Chop up the kimchi. For 2 servings, I recommend at least 2 reasonably sized handfuls of kimchi. Oil your pan, crack open your eggs, and salt your eggs. Scramble your eggs. Put 2 portions of rice in a mixing bowl and liberally pour some sesame oil on it. Throw in your cooked eggs into the mixing bowl. Use a paper towel to wipe out the excess oil left on the frying pan you used to cook the eggs. Throw in your beef and add some salt. Once cooked, add some black pepper. Then put the beef into the mixing bowl. Put your kimchi into the mixing bowl. Mix everything with all your might. My wife and I eat out of this mixing bowl together. For some reason, we find it tastes better that way. And that's how you make a Homey Kimchi Bibimbap that even children will enjoy. If you like this video, please like below and subscribe to our channel.